NBC's annual broadcast of the Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular, 1.27.46 m, blew away repeat competition again this year, clocking 1.1 million more viewers than 17, to bag its biggest crowd in 6 years. NBC dominated Wednesday in every key metric, while taking a slight dip in the demo, against mostly repeat competition, though there were preemptions for local fireworks broadcasts across the Big Four. NBC's Fireworks-Palooza pounded CBS's Big Brother 3.91 m in 9 to 10 p.m. competition by 67% in the 18 to 49 age bracket, and 6 million viewers overall. NBC's Pyrotechnics Extravaganza gained 4.8 million viewers from its first half hour to its fourth. After 2 solid hours of fireworks, NBC ran a recap telecast of Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular from 10 to 11 p.m. 4.9 m, and also won that hour. For the night, NBC 6.03 m ran a lap ahead of CBS 4.16 m, with ABC 1.86 m, Fox 1.53 m, and CW 693K trailing.